Let's get ready to rumble!
Good morning. This is the New York session stream taken as part of our Road to Funded series. If you're joining us for the first time, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget, turn on that little bell because we are live every day, Monday to Friday. So every weekday, 7:30 a.m. Eastern, that's 12:30 p.m. Watt West African time. That being said, let's get right into the charts. Okay, how y'all doing? Hope everybody's doing well. Hope you guys had a good yesterday, trading wise. Had a good trading day yesterday. I had to leave a little bit early because I had a meeting to get to, so I had to dip out a little bit earlier than usual. But actually today I'm also gonna have to dip out early, so we have news by 8:30, so I'll be here for the news. If I'm not getting anything by 8:35, I'll have to hop off. But what I will do, I might come back, right, depending on how long the meeting runs or how long I'm done with my meeting today. I'll hop back on, right? I mean, I don't really want this to be a two-part stream, but if it has to be, it has to be, right? Yeah, so I'll maybe hop back on after the meeting. If I finish the meeting, say the meeting is at 9, right? So if I finish the meeting, say by 9:30, right? As long as I finish before 10, I'll hop back on. Yeah. But yeah, let's get into the charts, huh? Let's see what's going on. So I mean, this is the move we were waiting for on GJ yesterday, right? So it happened twice. So this was what time was this? Tuesday. It was like 9 o'clock. Yeah, so I mean, this was the move we were waiting for. We're waiting for this closure above. Yeah, so this is when I had to leave, right? So basically on the close of this candle, I was never here for the close of this candle, right? So I was waiting for the closure above, tap into this level, and then push up, right? So this is the move we were waiting for. Would I have been able to take this? From the looks of this, yes. But it depends on if we formed this bottom wick first or not. I'm not really sure how this formed. It looks like we did. It looks like we did. Wagwan, bro. Don't spread no hate, man. You gotta love the prop firms. That's how they pay you out. You gotta love them. But nah, so yeah, this was the move we were looking for yesterday. It never came while we were on stream. Came right as we hopped off, but it is what it is, right? You had a similar move during London as well. You could have capitalized on that, but I'm currently not trading London until next week. So yeah, that's what's going on. But let's see what's going on. So the monthly continues to push up here, and like I said, if we're gonna mirror this move exactly here, we're gonna close somewhere inside this range right here, right? So we're gonna close in the same range as the previous candle closed, right? Which is what happened here. So it's just a matter of where we're gonna reach up to. I mean, we don't have to mirror this move exactly, right? I'm just saying, if we were gonna mirror this move exactly, we would close somewhere inside this range. It's just now a matter of where we're gonna reach up to reject, if that's what we're gonna do, right? Because we've clearly pushed past that area now. So where's our next level of rejection gonna be realistically, right? I mean, just looking at the chart right now, you can see 193.6, right? That's the sort of the next level on the monthly. You can see 193.6, you can see 195. You have a bunch of rejection around these areas. 194.6 as well, you have rejection around that area as well. So I mean, you could reject anyway, right? You just have to see how the lower time frames form here. Let me see. Yeah, but for the time being, we are bullish. We had 192 point, what was it? Was it 192 point was it 2? No, it wasn't. Where was it? Yeah, I think on Monday in the beginning of the week we had 192.2 as a level of, or a decision level, right? So we've already passed clean through that. So I'm curious to see if we actually pulled back to 192.2 on the lower time frames. So I'll check on that. But weekly, pretty much saying the same story here. We don't have much of a bottom wick on this weekly, so I mean, we could reject at any time and flip here on the weekly, but I do doubt it. I highly doubt it. Maybe news will be the catalyst for that, but I highly doubt we're gonna. I mean, we might flip, create a steeper bottom wick and still close bullish, right? So you never know. You never know. We'll see how that plays out. The daily closed bullish as well. This level I have here is, how important is this level? Let me see. Yeah, you do have multiple rejections off that level or around that level. Yeah, it's at a pretty key level, I'd say. Yeah, we do have multiple rejections around those areas. Let me see. Yeah, we are sort of at a rejection area currently, right? We already tapped into this. One sec, bro. I'll go join this code in a bit. One sec. Yeah, so yeah, we already tapped into this 192.9 area. Let me see. Yeah, for the time being, we just need to recognize that there is a potential level of rejection right there, right? On the daily as well. So we'll leave that there. Let's see this 4 hour. So this 4 hour closed above, it closed bullish above, but the bullish candle closed no top wick. First thing we did was create a top wick, and then now we're coming back down. So if this 4 hour ends up closing back into the range, we might start dropping, right? We might start seeing some sells. But for now, we're still operating above this level. So if we close doji like this, we could just create a bottom wick and then continue to move up to fill the rest of this range up to at least 193 minimum. I think you should be good up to 193, and then potential runners beyond that. Okay. Let me see the hourly. What's going on with the hourly? Okay. So in terms of buys, I am looking for buys. So range 1 buys, range 2 sells. Let's see. Range 2 sells, say around here maybe. Yeah. Yeah, around there for the sells. Yeah, you do have rejection. Let me see this on the 30-minute. How good does this look on the 30-minute? Yeah, it's decent on the 30. I guess you have a level there, level here. Yeah, you did tap here and drive up in the past as well. So yeah. You just go below everything here. What's that look like? What does this one look like? The hourly, so that's everything, right? Yeah, so I'll have these levels for now on the hourly. I'll have these levels for now on the hourly. Right, range 2 sells, range 1 buys. Pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward here. Hello, darkness, my old friend. See this hour. Yeah, I mean, really, this hourly level, this hourly range is really all it is, right? I mean, yeah, I don't have much more data here, but Yeah, so I mean, let's see what happens here. Let's see how price forms. Let's see how price forms. I'd say your best buys are gonna come. One sec, my G. I'm doing things, man. Yeah, so like yeah, I'd say above one. I mean, above 193. And 193 are your targets, right? Your 4-hour target level. That's your 4-hour target level. I tell you, your cleanest buys are actually above 193.1, but you do have a bit of range here, especially if you're looking at the hourly, right? But on the 30, you sort of have this level here to worry about, just before 193 as well. Yeah, so like, let me see how many pips this range is. It's about a 10 pip range, fair enough. Yeah, we'll see how price forms here though. Let's see how price forms around these areas, and yeah, we'll make our decision based off of that. Yeah, but for sure, I don't see me taking any sells in this range unless we tap into 193 first and then close back below. Then I might have some sells in here, but for now it's mainly just buys. But nah, that's the outlook for GJ. Let's go on gold real quick. So gold monthly bullish, right? Weekly bullish. I mean, this is how we're gonna be for a while, I think, at least for the rest of April. Well, weekly bullish, daily bullish, right? All bullish. All right, and we come into our first key time frame here. 4-hour. Let's see what the 4-hour is saying. So the 4-hour came down. How did the daily close? Bullish, right? Yep. So the 4-hour came down. We tapped into this level, this 2344 level or 45 level, which is the bottom of the current range that we're sitting in. And now it looks like we're rejecting. If this 4-hour can flip bullish and we close above, for sure I'll have those buys going to the top side, right? Yeah, for sure. So let me see hourly, what we saying. So we're looking for buys. So range 1 pull. I mean, range 2 would be sales wise. Range 2 down here. Then we have all of this. Hey, my fault gang. Okay. Yeah, and then 30. Let's see. Yeah, so hourly, let me see this hourly level. So adjust this. All right. Yep, adjust that there. Boom. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking at here in terms of gold there. Right, sells don't really come until we close below this 2340 level, I'd say. Yeah, I don't see how I would take sells a lot early. Well, we could if we tap into a higher level, right? So like, I mean, if this whole 4-hour flips, we break these highs and then somehow we still come back down and we close below here, I mean, for sure then I'm taking sells, right? But for now, yeah, for now it's a buy thing. I'm looking for the buys. Yeah, daily created a bottom wick already. This one came down. We respect it. Yeah. I mean, I'd say your best bet for a confirmation or for a confirmed move would be to wait for this hourly to flip bullish, to be honest, for this 4-hour close, basically. All right, because right now what you have is you have a bearish closure back into the range. So this resistance basically held. You have this bearish closure back into the range. So really what you need to confirm that you're ready to start pushing up, right, beyond this range, is a bullish closure above, or just a bullish closure, to be honest. Yeah, just a bullish closure above, because this technically is a minor level here. This right here, right, this right here technically is now a minor level. I'd say. So just a closer above there, preferably a bullish one, would be all right to start taking buys up. All right, so yeah, let's see how that plays out here though. All right, Discord. Wait a minute. Yo. Yo. Hello. Hello. Random. See these guys. See how I join Discord. The guy not even there. Alright, so we're waiting. Let's see what's going. Let us see what going. Hopefully we can get a early trade here and then we don't need to cut the stream up into 2 parts. Yeah. And also, like, if my if my meeting runs, like, even if I finish the meeting early, if I look at the charts and I don't like what price is doing, I'll just stay off. Or if I think price already made the move for the session, I'll just I'll just stay off. Also, yes, I remember I promised some shorts to come. They will come. They're in the pipeline, as they say. They are in the pipeline. Music got me feeling a kind of way. Type away. Yeah, you could have some earlier sells here as well. If you have a bearish closer below 23.44. That's true. Oh, yeah. Yeah, actually, yeah, that's a level on the hourly as well. So, yeah, you could have earlier sells here too. 23.44. Yeah, let's see what happens here though. We have CPI today, right? CPI at 8:30. Hopefully, I mean, usually CPI brings something for us volume wise, but let's see if we can get a trade at 8:35. That would be great. Yeah, and it's a news trade, so hopefully I'm not here for long in terms of managing the position, just so I can dip off. Just trying to be in and out. Trying to be in and out. Cool. So we are still on our winning streak on stream. Yeah, yesterday's trade was a good learning opportunity in terms of managing risk, right? Or managing, and why I put my stops a little bit higher than the level I'm considering, right? And add in positions and
testing 1 2 1 2
alpha.
Mike, yeah, I was hood, chat. They
You
have
you are
tried
cool.
me. I have gone through trials and tribulations
I
for
bet
this
no
box.
mention any names, yo.
I
Maybe
shall
no
not
talking
mention names
slander
since this is not my channel.
at
You know,
all.
we guys protect. We have to protect the sponsorships, but you know yourself. Well done.
So it's in
Hey,
the calling on you
it's
like
like
this. You don't send them another message.
I'm about to, guy. I just uploaded further videos on some nonsense. And that's just one prop. Another one is straight up calling the accounts fictitious capital. Let me like the video. Yeah, that's wild. Because here's the thing, I went to check them on their website just to like reconfirm, see if there's any other prop that had that spike in UK 100. So as I was going through their FAQs, I just saw it because I wanted to see what their withdrawal methods are. And then I now saw this section. I was like, oh, when you want to withdraw profits that you've generated from trading our fictitious capital. And I had to reread that thing like 3 times. I was like, wow. I now checked the definition just to be sure. You guys straight up said you are trading fictional funds made up disbelief.
But I mean, I guess it's known. It's not like something that's not known. It is known at this point.
No, come on. Initially,
I mean, initially I knew. I forget how I knew.
There are already YouTubers that have documented this thing. They switched up the wording from real and live to virtual, fictitious, simulated.
I forget.
There was a switch up.
I forget how.
There was a switch up in wording.
Yeah, like me, I think the one me I'm referring to was like specific to the challenge phase. Maybe that's what I have in my mind, because I know there's always been, or I've always had that information that the actual money is like, it's not real money, right? And it's sort of a virtual trading environment. But I think it was always specific to the challenge phase, not the actual, which makes sense, not the actual funded phase.
No, the challenge part is fine if the challenge itself is virtual. Yeah. But what I mean is when you're actually quote unquote funded.
My own is like if I mean, as long as they are paying me out, I don't care if the actual money is, I don't care if it's real money or monopoly money. As far as what I'm receiving in my account is dollars, you get me? I don't really care.
Yeah, that's facts. But then again, there's a conflict of interest if what I'm trading is not monopoly money or not, because that's when we're going to have issues with you paying me out. It's become apparent that, look, if you're not taking my trades, you're going to have an issue paying me out. That's what we've come to find out.
Yeah.
So, like, if there's ever an insolvency issue, like, I don't know if, okay, I'm pretty sure I sent it to you, but there was this, they've gone under already, but I literally can't even remember their name. Like, I even like cast them if I wanted to. But there was this prop where their manager, or like the top guy, like the CEO in charge, he was literally gambling their money away and like spending it on mansions, cars, hookers, and everything. And then he had problems paying people out because, surprise, surprise, virtual funds and all that. Like, I mean, yeah, sure, he was reckless, but again, like the fact that what killed it on top of him being reckless was that he didn't have enough people failing the challenge to pay out the people who were winning. And this wouldn't have been an issue if they were trading real capital. Like, despite his reckless spending, he still would have been able to pay people out because he kept it going for a long time until suddenly there's an imbalance in like the ratio of people that were failing to how much money was being generated from actual profitable traders.
Mad.
I don't know why I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure I sent it. I'll try and look and then I'll send it to you on the group chat. He literally spent it like in this stereotypical Wall Street fashion, and like he was dashing people money, renting expensive yachts or cars, trucks, buying hookers, doing this. I'm surprised he didn't do drugs.
How you know saying no do drugs?
No, because they were also like sexual harassment claims. The guy used to try and get men and women in the bathroom to do
men and women, Malians.
I swear, it was a wild animal.
Mans was Diddy up in here, man.
I'm the Diddy of the prop firm industry, yeah. Now I'm not gonna say what race, what group of people. We all know I can't say that.
What do you mean, what race?
It was the Caucasians.
As per the guy was white.
Yeah.
Okay. Expect the worst from this forex, from this prop firm niggas, man.
And
Expect the
ironically
worst.
enough, the one that I'm bitching about right now, they're the only ones in their FAQ and website who still claim real funds that I've seen. Sha, let me put that caveat. The only one that I'm aware of. Speaking of which, guy, type J. Cole apology. We have to react to this thing on stream. Have you seen it? And get access to real
Sorry,
funds. Oh, that's
waiting you
true.
talk there.
Look up J. Cole's apology after this.
No, I've seen it. I don't see how.
I'm in the trenches, bro. I haven't been able to sleep right since.
It seems me, I just hope, because me, I'm not surprised. You get, like, if it was any other rapper, you get me, I'll be like,
I mean, it's in character, but still,
yeah, like if it was any other rapper, I'll be like, oh, this guy he's just ducking and smoking it. But this is like, I mean, this is the most J. Cole thing J. Cole could have done, innit? But bro, man, come on, like Kendrick was he was literally at home listening to some who is a nonsense rapper these days, just looking at the state of rap and and Diddy and all these things. Like, man, we need to bring music back. You can't talk. Say, how can I inject some crack into the system?
some competition.
You get me? So say, more. Let me shout at the dogs, man. He didn't go for all these small rappers. Now he went for the big boys, because he knows that they get backing, he knows that they get ammo. You get me? He wanted to reinvigorate the rap scene, but J. Cole go do it in J. Cole.
Apologize. Oh my.
You know what I hope? If Kendrick just uses that as his apology just to create another diss track, Wallah, J. Cole he goes respond, yeah. It's over at that point. If Kendrick is just like, fuck your apology, man.
You know who I blame I blame Drake for all of this. J. Cole's been hanging out with that nigga too much. This is some Drake energy.
No, Drake energy now to go carry features and start doing ghostwriting.
Yeah, I know, like this kind of soft shit. This is Drake's influence.
No, this one will be soft shit. This one I just they're going a peaceful, pacifist type individual normally now.
Yeah, it's a matter of like your like the alternative is war, like just friendly competition. They could do something like what Joyner Lucas and Tory Lanez did. They went back and forth like 2 times, and then they made a collab at the end of it. Simple. Not as if it has to be maybe friendly competition.
Maybe all not part of the character development. They come, bro. All right, so we just had a hourly closer, yeah. Let me see. Yeah, so gold just closed, still bearish, right? Still playing inside this range. First thing we're doing here is creating this top wick. Let's see what happens. Yeah, like I said, I mean, I would be more comfortable with waiting for the 4-hour on gold, but given that I'm not gonna be here on the 4-hour close, hopefully we can get something at the news, right? Hopefully we can get something in 30 minutes here. So let's see how we develop here. I mean, we technically closed below this, well, not really below. Yeah, we're sort of respecting. Yeah, we're sort of respecting that level there. Well, yeah, barely below. We closed barely below it, right? But even then, for sales, I would need range 2 closures, and we're still far away from 2344, right? So we could come down here, but we still have this 2344 level in our way. So we're just gonna wait. Most likely our only move here is gonna be during news, because the way this candle is currently forming, looks like this is a top wick. Whether this is gonna continue up, we'll see, but we have volume here, chat. We got volume in the markets. Let me see, GJ. Yeah, so GJ just closed doing fuck all as well. I mean, I like the formation though. I like the formation on GJ. right? So I mean, if we come down again, because we didn't really quite take those lows out, but if we push down again a little bit, take out those lows, close above 192.85, right? We have a bottom wick, we start pushing up, right? Yeah, and that's on the 4-hour as well. We have range to go to the top side as well. So our targets right now are 193, right? 193 are our current targets. So yeah, let's see if we can get some play here. Let's see if we can get some play. There is volume though. There is volume. I actually think we might just push clean through actually to 193 the way this candle just opened with. Let's see though. Let's see. All right. Yeah, man. We just cool. The guy goes patent up, man. Yeah, it goes patent up. Me self, I feel beef Kendrick self normal. Oh, this guy not there. All right. Ah, wow. Woman just fine everywhere. All of them. Wow. See left. Yo, Draymond Green knocking down threes is crazy, man. Yeah, I know they won this game. I know for a fact they won this game. I know for a fact they won this game. If Draymond knocking down threes, for sure they won. Let me see. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, they won. Yeah. No doubt, no doubt. Yeah. Why are the Suns losing to the Pelicans, bro? What? What is going on? Oh no, this was. Oh no. They lost to the Clippers. As expected. Look at Russ, man. Look at Westbrook, man. So inspirational. Another triple double for the boy. Nice, nice, nice. All right. It's finally summer now. It's finally summer. Well, it's not summer, spring, innit? But it's not as cold anymore. You already know we outside. We outside. We balling. Okay, so okay, so we're creating this top wick here on gold. Took out previous high, previous 30-minute high, or previous hourly high as well. Not much of a high, but still. Yeah, let's see what happens here. GJ, I'd be willing to take off the 15 close just because this 4-hour we're already inside this range, right? It's not like we're breaking into the range. Yeah, so it's not like we're trying to break into the range. We're already in the range. We've already created this bottom wick. We have sort of this top wick sort of path, creating the path for us to continue up. Let's see. Yeah, so initially, let's see, off this push, right? So boom, boom. What did this tap into? Yeah, the only thing I'm looking at here is if you look to the left, before we've driven up, like I mean, this is all we have to go off of on the 4 hour anyways, right? Before we've driven up to this 193 area, we usually make quite a bit of a pullback, right? So here we pulled back all the way down here, and over here we pulled back all the way down here, right? So I mean, that being said, right, we might see price do something like this. So we close bullish here. For the next 4 hour, you basically spend the next 4 hour candle creating a bottom wick to these levels, right? And then pushing back up, right? Something like this, right? So I mean, that's a possibility as well, but nah, we'll see. We will see. 30, 15. Yeah, so I mean, GJ is coming up here. Do I want to be in here during news though? That's the question. Or before news. Because with the 15 close, we have 15 minutes before news, right? And if we're not break even by then, we're gonna be at the mercy of news. Okay, this is interesting. This is interesting here. Yeah, you do have rejection from here. Say your next level is around here. All right, yep. Okay, so I'm hoping this 15 closes below, just so I don't have to use brain cells. Because if we close above here, if we close above 192.83, yeah, if we close above, it's possible we're gonna drive up. I would ideally prefer not to take a position 15 minutes before news. Ideally, but I mean, if it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up, I believe. If it's gonna go up, news will align with the direction. Hey. That's not proven. I'm just saying. Yeah, let's see how 15 close here. 5 minutes for this 15. How's the 5 been forming? So 5 sort of. How's the minute been forming? All right. Up. Yeah, let's see what happens. Hopefully we reject like this and we close something similar to this. And if the next 15 minute and the 30 could then close above 192.83, we have a good 5 minute close on news. Yeah, we good for those buys. This might drive here, guys. For sure, this might drive. We're knocking on that door right now. Yeah, gold for sure, nothing before news. But GJ, yeah, we're knocking on that door. We are knocking down that door. Okay, because if we fill the 4 hour highs, these 4 hour highs, oh well, I guess I would be looking to have that be my vantage point, right? So this is 5 pips. Okay, this is interesting, guys. This is interesting. Yeah, you want to be careful around here though, right? Because if you, I mean, look at the rejection. The last time we were at this level, look at the rejection, right? But the fact that we came here again, we tapped in, we even tapped further in, but we didn't reject. It doesn't look like we reject. Well, we didn't reject, right? Not that it doesn't look like we didn't reject all the way down, right? We rejected, but we didn't see this much of a push, right? So this support, yeah, I would have actually preferred if we tapped into this level here, 192.69. If we tapped into that level, I would be more confident in taking the 15-minute buys up. Yeah, because that would mean we came down, we tried to push down, right? Which is what we did here. We tried to push down and we were successful, right? So I mean, if we tapped into this level, it would be that we tried to push down, but then this support finally held, right? This support held, and then if we close above again, then I would be more confident in taking these buys up. Yeah, but right now, let's see how, I hope it doesn't close above, man. I hope it doesn't close above, because I'm not gonna take it, right? I'm not gonna take it if it closes above, but if it ends up running up, I'm gonna feel like I just missed something, you know what I mean? But yeah, I guess I didn't, right? If I wasn't gonna take it, I didn't miss anything, but still. This guy, you did. That's a no. That's a no. All right. It's Wisdom Wednesday. What does that mean? Okay, 10 seconds. Or almost 10 seconds. All right, so yeah, so the market decided it for me, right? That's a max close. And nothing I can do there. Now imagine we come up here and tap into 193 and then flip. Yeah, I'll tell you this right now. If this 5-minute candle comes up to 193 and we flip, I'll sell. I don't care. But nah, that's a lie. I do care. But that would be a valid entry for me. If this current 5-minute, if we came up here, tapped 193, I would have a sell stop at the break of the lows. Right, but we would need to flip on the 5, right? So yeah, so gold, okay, I mean, I like this on gold, right? We're sort of consolidating here before news. Oh yeah, I like this on gold. So consolidating before news. Let me see. Yeah, consolidating before news, holding this level. If we can just close above on the first 5-minute of news, we should be fuego. We should be fuego for them buys up. For the buys up. For the buys up. For the buys up. Okay, GJ now. GJ pushing. Or is it? Yeah, we're knocking that door for real. We are knocking on that door. Yeah, I mean, I think for me to take sells here, Let me see. For me, okay, so the daily just took out the previous daily highs, right? Okay, interesting. Let's see, 4 hours. 4 hours. Yeah, now buys, I don't sells. I don't really see sells, man. Even with news, I don't really see the sells. I don't see them at all.
Yeah, I'm staying out the market.
Mod.
Am I audible?
Yeah, go ahead.
Like, speed you see this color.
Yeah, I don't really see the sells on GJ, but let's see what I'm going. 10
I
minutes
know why
for
you're
news.
looking for sales on GJ.
What?
I said I don't know why you're looking for sales on GJ.
I'm looking for anything, bro. I don't care. Looking for anything. Give me buys, give me sells. I'll take them all.
Pause.
You know what you need to talk.
No, but seriously, yeah. I want to say the trend is exhausted, but if anything, is going up all day.
Yeah, I mean, I
So,
prefer buys. I'm looking. Everything is saying buys right now, but I'm just thinking. I'm thinking more in
gold has
terms of
already gone for
news.
sales today.
Yeah, I mean it did, but we can still have more sells.
I mean, it's in a range right now. So,
Yeah, but we could develop these cells, you know what I mean? It's still early in the session. I mean, it's just 8:20. Comex is just about to open, actually.
well, I'm not gonna be around for comics. Dipping in a few.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
The
found.
gym awaits.
I, my brother. Appreciate you.
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Let's see. Oh, okay. You haven't really taken anything since yesterday.
Did I take something yesterday? Nah, I didn't take anything yesterday.
Yeah, cause like the PL is still the same.
Yeah, I didn't take I didn't take anything yesterday. I only took something on Monday. Monday was break even. Okay, so there goes comics open. Yeah, not much. I mean, you can see some volume here, I guess. Yeah, hopefully this CPI does something. Hopefully CPI does something.
Come on. Oh, 11 minutes. Oh, thank God.
What?
No, I thought I'd have to upload the video again.
What video?
The video for evidence now that I'm going to send to these nonsense youths.
Oh, lol. Slowly add it up. Only.
These individuals, they're trying to tell me a super story, and I will not have it.
The life of drive sorrow. Okay, I mean, so GJ, okay. So the 15 on GJ, right, came down, created that bottom wick. Yeah, this would be a really nice close. If this 15 can close without driving up here, and we get some, oh man, that would be really nice. I almost wish we didn't have news here. If we didn't have news, I could enter just off this closure, to be honest. But we got news in 7 minutes. Yeah, I think GJ might be our bread and butter for the day, guys. But it might just leave us here. Don't leave me, don't leave me. Don't go. GJ behaving like my ex right now. Don't leave me. Splash cousin is crazy. Okay, 5 minute gonna close on GJ. Gonna close. Okay, so this 5 minute is gonna close above, yeah. This 5 minute is gonna close, or if it's gonna close above here, I'd suggest you close your eyes because you could see this drive up to 193. You really could. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's gonna. I mean, we're gonna be filling this 4-hour highs. You might see that push up to 193 quick. Yeah, there you go. Look at that.
You might as well buy.
Nah, bro, we got news in 5 minutes, man. Can't do that.
Oh, okay, yeah, after.
I can't do that. Yeah, with the way this 5 is closing, if we have a top wick on this 5, to be honest, even if we don't, you just might drive up to 193 straight. Yeah. Yeah, if this doesn't flip, yeah, this could drive straight up to 193, guys. No cap. No cap. No cap. I mean, to be fair, I wouldn't, even if there was no news, I still wouldn't be in because we don't have a bottom wick here, right? So doesn't really matter. But if you break those highs again, that would be the 4-hour breaking its highs again, right? So on the break of that 4-hour high, you just might drive up. But it looks like you're coming back for a little bit of a pullback here. Maybe create a bottom wick. As soon as you create this bottom wick, you'll see what wants to happen. We're either gonna just keep on driving down, maybe close below, or we're gonna, you know, we're gonna flip, continue this push up. I hope we stall around these areas, but just with the way I'm seeing price form, I think it's one of the two. Either we're gonna come down and close below, which is not the best, or we're gonna push up here and, you know, start pulling up a little too close to 193, which is also not the best. But hopefully I'm wrong on both what? On both accounts. Three minutes. Oh boy. Yeah, gold pushing up here. We like to see this. We do in fact like to see this. Let me see, 2352 is where. Yeah, if we can close above here, 5 minute closes above 2352. Yeah, we fuego. Uy, fuego. Mira la fuego. Reserva. Reserva. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. So I will be off. If we don't get anything at 8:35, I'll hop off. But if I finish my meeting before 10 o'clock, I'll be back. So it'll be a 2-part stream, so to speak. Because we do have less than 2 weeks, just a little over a week left for the challenge. Again, we're not chasing anything. I don't mind getting a free retry from the beginning, or a free retake. I don't mind.
I don't mind.
Damn.
Retry the thing.
Mad tired, bro. My fault.
Hey, go sleep.
Yo, I know insults you for life. So.
Less risk monetization.
It's not demonetization. Am I monetized where there is demonetization?
You can get shadow banned or, prematurely blocked.
Cap. That's cap. That's cap.
Probably.
That's propaganda. Okay, so hold on to your horses, y'all. There's about to be news. There is about to be news in 30, 29, 28, 27. Yeah. 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds. You know what I mean. You know what time it is. You know what time it is.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Boom! Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that shit! Yo, that was perfect.
How about yourself now?
That was perfect with the music, man, or with the soundtrack. Yo. Okay, so I mean,
Grabbing like it's hot.
we got volume, right? Let me see. I'm on the wrong thing. How did news come out? I mean, numbers haven't even really come out yet.
Oh, price.
Did numbers?
Yeah, the US indices
so
have dropped.
that's weird because the dollar is strong.
No entries.
So everything came out positive on the dollar. Everything came out positive. So
yeah, the US indices are tanking.
Yeah, I would think it would be the opposite.
Price correction.
That's interesting.
I had a feeling once it was ranging the whole day, I was like, nah, news about to wild out.
I would think
it
would
by the way,
opposite.
If you check out the FTMO website, they have a lot of indicators and EAs that are quite useful. They built it for their traders, but it's free to use. You can probably use it on, not probably, you can use it on other props or your personal accounts. Just a quick shout.
Nice.
And
no free promo.
I have to dip now, so c'est la vie.
Alright, bruh.
Later.
Appreciate you. Okay, so oh, this is perfect on GJ, bro. For the buys, like I wouldn't take these sells. I'm not gonna lie to you. I understand we're coming down here, but remember, this is where I was looking for the bottom wick, right? This is where I was looking for the bottom wick in order for us to continue to move up. So I really wouldn't take these sells going down unless we close below, unless we had this maybe a 15-minute closure below or this hourly candle close below. Yeah, so it's 30. I'll just put these here and see what this does. Put this here, see what that does. 30 would be down here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna see what this does here. Yeah, I'm just gonna see what this does, because this is what I wanted. This is what I was looking for in terms of a bottom wick, right? Right, remember what I was saying? That would be the ideal, right? Because if you look to the left, every time before you actually drove up to 189.3, you always tapped into this level first. Now you did that because of news. So the only thing now is that the volume might be so strong, right? You might have so much bearish volume right now that you continue to drive down, right? So that's the only thing, right, that you have to take into consideration. But I don't think I'll yeah, man, we are coming down here though. Yeah, I don't think I'll get involved with this, to be honest. I really don't. But let me see gold. But gold I am willing to get involved with, right? Daily, doing that 4 hour down here, 30.15. Yeah, so we have a minute for this 5 to close. Okay, what am I looking at for here then? So I'm looking for a top wick. All right, where did we just tap into? Where did we just tap into? Okay. Oh, this needs to close with a bottom wick though. These are gonna be my targets. So my targets are right here. So I'm looking for this. I'm looking for a top wick. Right? I'm looking for a top wick. So we just need to close below here. I'm looking for a top wick at that point, and then I'll sell on the flip. So that's 2 right there. That'd be a 1, so it wouldn't be a 1, so it's like 0.75. Okay, and there goes our close. We're opening bearish. All right, we opening bearish. And let's see if we can get a top wick to oh, actually, yeah, that was a decent top wick, huh? Okay, I'm gonna have a sell stop here. Gonna have a sell stop right here. On the flip of the current 5, I'm gonna have a sell stop. Okay, I might market execute. 7. Okay, looks like I'm going to market execute here. Yeah, so I'm currently in this trade. I just market executed. Oh, wait, what is this? Oh, that's the wrong pair. Hey, yo. Nah, man, that's crazy. I market executed on the, wait, what? That was G. How did I get to GU? Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, hold up. So looks like this is gonna be a sell stop. Okay, looks like this is gonna be a sell stop. 2329.148.13. Yeah, so okay, so I have a sell stop at the bottom of this candle on this flip. right? Sell stops at the top of the hourly highs, right? Yeah. Yeah, you wanna, you wanna manage this trade quick. So you want this 5 minutes of, you want to be active by this 5, and you want to be break even as soon as you break these lows, this previous lows, right? This previous 5-minute low, you want to be out of there by then. Yeah, ideally this 5 flips. Ideally this 5 flips. Yeah, we are stalling here. Ideally you want this 5 to flip and activate and get you activated into the position. Yeah, that was a little weird there. I'm not gonna lie. That might have just saved us, to be honest, from drawdown, but we'll see. We'll see. But I would have been in here though. I would have been in here. I wouldn't have mind being in here. Even though we're coming up here, I really wouldn't have mind being in here. What's a little bit of drawdown, you know? Looks like, GJ, I wouldn't have taken GJ either. Even though GJ is actually, selling here. It's actually doing what we want gold to be doing. But yeah, I wouldn't have gone into GJ either because we did close respecting. We still respected this support here. Right? Yeah. 5 minutes about to close. I don't like this 5-minute close, man. I got nothing on GJ right now. Yeah, we pushed. Yeah, we pulled all the way back up, huh? Yeah, that entry on GU might have just saved us here. It might have just saved us, but if I was in the trade, I would just be in the trade, right? I would just be in the trade. Okay, so now with this 5 closing the way it just did, right? Okay, now we have a problem, right? Yeah, now there's a problem. So I'm gonna delete those the orders. To be honest, still very highly likely you come down here, right? At the very least, retest these lows before we drive up, but at the moment, yeah, I don't know. I'm not too sure because what are we respecting here in terms of driving down? What are we respecting here? Let me see. So this level right here, right? So this right here, now you closed above that level. Yeah, you closed above. Yeah, if I was in this trade, I would have probably managed risk right here. Yeah, if I was in here, I would have probably managed risk right here. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Thankfully nobody watching right now, this would have been more of a problem, right? But thankfully nobody watching. But moving forward, we're gonna make sure that that's not a mistake we make, right? I don't know how. Hey, thank God, I guess, man. Thank God, because that would have been an L right there. Instead, I actually made money off of that trade. I made 10 cents. All right, how much did I make? I made 70 cents, dog. Shit. That's almost $1. Nice with it. Yeah, but nah. Yeah, 4 hours tap into that level 2, 3, 3, 1. Yeah, this candle has no top wick. Yeah, 15. Yeah, as soon as you had this 5-minute close, this move was wrap, right? Because you're basically you're counting on volume to continue to or take you down, right? To push you further down, but it didn't. I mean, over here, it's happening on GJ though. It is happening on GJ, but yeah, I don't really have that entry on GJ, man. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Now we came down, we tapped here. I mean, if this 4-hour closes, I mean, ideally you wanted to close bullish, but I mean, if it just closes above 192.4, I mean, you do have, yeah, if you just close above 192.4, to be honest, if you form right, you could just take those buys going up. If your candle opens the right way, you could take those buys going up. But we'll see though. Yeah, so I'm gonna, oh, I wish I didn't have to leave, but I gotta leave, man. Let me see how this 15-minute closes. Let me see how this 1-5 closes. See how this 1-5 closes. See GJ. Oh, GJ tanking right now, bruh. Yeah, man. GJ tanking right now. Clock. Wow. Yeah, I would not have expected this out of GJ, man. I did not expect this out of GJ. Yeah, I got nothing on GJ. Yeah, we need a closer on GJ. We need a closer on GJ. Hourly. Oh, sorry, not hourly. Gold. So gold 15 is closing where? What are we respecting? It's this level. What is that on the hourly? Maybe this level right here. So 15 just closed on gold. Yeah, not the best close, not the best open either. Right, not the best open either. Yeah, where the place where we would have originally gotten into this position. Yeah, which is around, what is it, around here? Right, around here, these lows right here. We could still tap into that level. It's still very possible we tap into that level. But now you've had this 2 candles close bullish. I tell you what though. Yeah, if this 5 comes down, if we come down on the 5 here, yeah, we come down on this 5, tap into 2332, and we flip, I'll take the buys going up. Yeah, we just need to create a steeper bottom wick. We just need a steeper bottom wick. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna make a steeper bottom wick. Yeah, we push it straight through that hole. Yeah. Yeah, looks like we're gonna close, or we're gonna drive up here on gold. Looks like we're gonna drive up here on gold. Cool. Yeah, I got nothing. Oh boy, brother. Oh brother, oh brother, this guy stinks. Yeah, man. So I don't really have anything on GJ. Could you take the flip here? Where did we tap into? That's a hell of a wick. That's a hell of a wick for real. 15.5. Hold up, y'all. Good. There's 5 close. So all of that, we have a 5. I mean, if this 5 closes bullish, right? If this 5 closes bullish on GJ here, I would rate the buys up. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, but now we tapped into this though. How did this 30 close? 30 close bullish, right? Above. Never took the highs too. I tell you what, guys. I tell you what. I mean, everything is pointing to the buys here, right? Except for current volume in the markets, bro. Right, and then you flip. Oh, I'll tell you what, guys. I'll tell you what. Where is this clean? Where is this clean? Cool. 15. Yeah, I'll tell you what. If this 5 flips, in the next minute and we close above 192.2 here, I'm gonna buy. Yeah, I'm gonna buy. If we flip here on this 5, tap into 192.2, I'm gonna buy. Let me see. It's 192.2 area. We're going up. This would be these lows, 70 something. Yeah, damn. Wow, we might actually do it. But we need a top wick though. That 5 needs to have a top wick. We need to close below above 192.2 with a top wick. If not, it's wraps. Okay, so oh my god, that's such a beautiful open too. Wow. Yeah, this is tough. Yeah, I'm gonna stay out of this, guys, just because of this rejection here to the left, right? Just because of this rejection, I'm gonna stay out of it. But I'm telling you, we could really drive up here. Yep, feeling those highs. Yep, as soon as we break those highs, we're gonna see. Yes, okay, now we've broken those highs. If we're gonna drive up here, we're gonna drive up. If we're gonna drive up here, this is gonna be a push. This is gonna be a big push up. I'm staying out of it just because of this level here, right? This level to the left, that's the only reason I'm staying out of it. And the fact that we do have bearish momentum currently in the markets, right? But I do believe this was all just a move to continue to push up, right? So I'm gonna stay out of it for now though. Yeah, I'm gonna just stay out of it for now. I'd say if you have another 5, I mean, this 15 closing bullish here is beautiful for the buys up. This 15 closing bullish here would be beautiful for the buys up, right? If we close bullish above 192 here, 192.2 here, you're fuego to take those buys up. So I gotta catch a meeting real quick though. Damn, man. Yeah, I really wanted to be part of this one. Yeah, I can't really leave the stream running, unfortunately. I mean, can't I? Actually, can't I leave the stream running? Can't I? Yeah, nah, it doesn't even make sense, to be honest. Yeah. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. So I mean, that's what I'm looking at on GJ. We might just continue pushing up here heavily but we'll see, right? We'll see. Let me see. Is it possible if I just mute everything? Yeah, we pushing up on GJ here. Damn, bruh. Damn, son. Yeah, all right, guys. I'm gonna call it a day for now. Hopefully I'll be able to come back in maybe 30 minutes, or like 30 to 40 minutes, right? Maybe I'll be back, and yeah, we can capitalize on the volume we're seeing here in the markets, right? But yeah, that's gonna be it for now. If I'm not coming back, peace, have a nice day. If I am coming back, I'll see y'all soon. Yeah, GJ pushing up here, huh? Yeah, we would have been sitting pretty right now. Yeah, that's break even right there. Yeah, it is what it is, though. It is what it is. We had a reason for staying out, so we can't be mad at that. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in a bit or tomorrow. Peace.